To add PayPal to Samsung Pay, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Samsung Pay and that you have the latest version of the app installed. Open Samsung Pay on your device and navigate to the Add Payment Method section. Select Add Credit or Debit Card and then choose Add Other Cards. Select PayPal as your payment method and you will be redirected to the PayPal website to authenticate your account. Enter your PayPal login credentials and follow the prompts to authorize the connection between PayPal and Samsung Pay. Once you have authorized the connection, you will be redirected back to Samsung Pay where you can add your PayPal account as a payment method. You will need to create a PIN or use your fingerprint to secure your transactions. After setting up PayPal in Samsung Pay, you can use it to make payments at participating merchants by swiping up from the bottom of your screen to launch Samsung Pay, selecting your PayPal account as the payment method, and authenticating the transaction with your PIN or fingerprint. To use PayPal in Samsung Pay online, select PayPal as your payment method at checkout and you will be prompted to authenticate the transaction using your Samsung Pay PIN or fingerprint. It is essential to note that not all merchants accept PayPal through Samsung Pay, so it is always a good idea to check with the merchant before attempting to make a payment. Additionally, ensure that your PayPal account is funded and that you have sufficient balance to complete the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily add PayPal to Samsung Pay and enjoy the convenience of using your PayPal account to make payments in store and online. Remember to always keep your device and PayPal account secure to protect your transactions and personal information.